tripping this crooked. Where the hell did that black cat go?
I don't know. Was that even a real cat?
Yeah, they ran back here, and there's like.
Well, then we would see him still.
There's nowhere.
Did he jump through the screen? Is there a hole over there?
No, there's no hole in the window. It's got a metal thing.
You see him behind the water heater thing?
Wait, I'm hearing something. What is that?
Hopefully, he's,
I just heard a jingle. Did you hear that?
hopefully it's not the cat.
Hopefully he's not stuck behind here and frying on this heater, because I can feel the heat from it.
Is he up here on top of the thing?
I don't know. I can't see.
Where the hell is he? Oh, wait, is there a hole over there? I think I see a hole in the back.
What, up high?
Yeah, that's where he jumped out
I
of.
don't think he can get through that.
Is there a hole in the corner?
Yeah, but it's not very big, and it's got wires going through it. Like a pipe and wire.
Well, he went somewhere because I don't see him no more.
Hey, kitty.
We would be hearing him right now.